Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Windows Terminal. So press on Window key. First, I will show you how the Windows Terminal should look like. So now search here Terminal. So here you can see I have already installed this app on my computer. This is how Windows Terminal look like. So for downloading Windows PowerShell or can say Windows Terminal, open Microsoft Store and here on the Microsoft Store, on the search bar, search here Windows Terminal. So here you can see Windows Terminal is showing. Now click on it. So as I have already installed this is showing as open. In your case, this will show as get. So this is how you can download Windows Terminal on your computer. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.